All right, guys, let's read our smartboard together. It says, "Good morning, friends. Good morning, Miss Jillian. Good morning, Miss Emma. Good morning,
Good morning,
Miss
friends.
Braxton. Good morning, friends. It's time to start a new day, so go and get yourself a pillow to sit on so we can start circle time together. All right, guys, this week we're learning about a new topic. Does anybody know what we might be learning about this week at school? I'm outside. What is something that you might find outside? What do you think that is all about? If you said insects, you are right. We are going to learn about insects this week, just like we learned about with Miss Laurie back at the beginning of school. So all of these things on the leaves are different kinds of insects, but they all have something the same. Do you guys remember what makes it an insect? The thing that all the insects have? They have 6 legs, a thorax, and an abdomen. So I'm going to put this down and I'm going to sing, and I want you guys to sing with me at home if you remember the song. It goes, head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen, head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen, and compound eyes and antenna too. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Good job, guys. Hey guys, today for insects, I'm going to be reading you a book called Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. We know all about different kinds of bugs. What kind of bug is that one? Is that a spider? No. Spiders aren't insects because they have 8 legs. This one only has 6. This kind of bug is an ant. And it says, bugs, bugs, bugs. Ooh. What kind of insect is that? This one is a dragonfly. It says wings, wings, wings. And these are some different kinds of insects that have wings. This is a grasshopper right here. A dragonfly. Did you know a grasshopper has wings? They do have wings. These are moths. Very cool. Legs, legs, legs. How many legs does an insect have? Does anybody know the answer? If you said 6, you are right. They have 6 legs. Look at these. There's a grasshopper. I don't know what this kind of bug is in the middle. It looks kind of creepy. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Look at the insect's eyes. This one is very up close. Look how big the eyes are on the side of its head. There's one too. That one looks like it has little eyeballs. Mouths, mouths, mouths. Look, this one has this is a fly, and it has a special little tongue that it uses to eat what it eats. And here we have a bumblebee, and it's using its mouth to get some pollen. I don't know what this grasshopper, I guess he's eating a leaf. Bugs, bugs. What kind of bugs are those? Ladybugs. Bugs. Look at all those ladybugs. The end. Okay, guys, today for insects, we're going to be learning about all different kinds of insects, and we're going to be learning how to count. So today, you're going to be making, there's a little jar. There's some pictures of some jars, and you're going to put some warm fuzzies, not real insects, but you're going to put warm fuzzies in the jar, whatever the number tells you. So if the number says 3, you're going to put 3 warm fuzzies, and you can pretend like they're little bugs in your jar. That's the first thing we're going to do. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take some Play-Doh, and you're going to roll that Play-Doh out really good and see if you can make your Play-Doh be a number 4, or maybe you can make your Play-Doh be a number 5. 5 will be a little bit tricky because it's got a curve, but I bet you can do it. The next thing we're going to be doing today is making a bzzz. You might have already guessed. You're going to be making a bumblebee. That's right. That's one of our insects we're going to be learning about today. Another thing we're going to be doing is we gave you some Play-Doh, so you're going to be making 4 and 5, but we also gave you some little bugs that you can put in the Play-Doh and see if you can make little bug bodies in your Play-Doh. See if you can make little bug stamps. And the last thing we're going to be doing, and this is just for 3-day, we are going to be talking about the life cycle of a butterfly. And it's just like when we read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. First they are an egg, then they are a caterpillar, then they are a chrysalis, and then they become a beautiful butterfly. So you're going to be putting the butterfly cards in the right order. Okay, this week for Bible, we have a new word. Our word is kindness. Can you guys all say that with me? Kindness. Everybody, let's all clap it. Kindness. Let's all pat it. Kindness. Let's all stomp it. Kindness. Good job. And kindness is how you treat someone. So we really want to treat someone with kindness because we love them. So if you're not being kind to your friends, if you're not being kind to your family, that will make them very, very sad. Kindness is being just very nice and sweet and doing things that are very sweet to your friends and your family. Let's see what is the sign for kindness. Let's look on here and see if we can do it. Ooh, this one's going to be kind of tricky. I'm going to make that bigger so you can see. So she's got her hand out like this, but she's going to put one finger down. That's kind of the tricky part. Then she's going to give herself a little rub right here. This means kindness. So hold your hand up, put the tallest finger, put that one down, and then rub your hand on your heart. Kindness. That's how you say kindness in sign language. Our Bible verse says, be kind to one another. And we know this because we've sung this song together. So sing the song with me. Give yourself a thumbs up. And we're going to say, be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. For this is right in the Lord. Sing it with me. Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. For this is right in the Lord. And that is from Ephesians 4:32. So this week, when you are doing your Bible verse, what you're going to be doing is there's going to be little card in your bag, in your packet. And every time you have school, I want you to do something very kind for someone in your family, or even for your pet or for your neighbor. And when you do that really kind thing, I want you to take one of your little cards and draw a picture of the kind thing that you did. And then you can post that picture to Homeroom. Okay guys, circle time is over and we are so excited to start again tomorrow. But before we leave, we want to remind you that circle time is not really over because there's a lot of things for you to go and do, just like we talked about in circle time. So make sure you do those things. Have your mommy or daddy take a picture so me and Miss Braxton and Miss Emma can see what you've been doing. Okay guys, we have 2 new numbers this week, and I think you know what our 2 new numbers are. That's right. We have a number 4. We have a number 5. So the first number we're going to talk about is number 4, and that's the number right over there. And a lot of you are already 4. So that's a cool number for you guys to learn about. When we're learning about number 4 this week, just like last week, I want you to try and find something that has 4 on it. Do you know what? 4 is kind of easy. 4 is easy because cars have 4 wheels, and pets, not all pets, but some pets have 4 legs, like a turtle or a dog or a cat. There's a lot of things that have 4, but we're also learning about 5. 5 is going to be a little bit trickier. Something that has 5. Maybe you have 5 people in your family. So try to find something that has 5 in your house and tell us about it. All right, guys, for today's fun adventure, I want you to go into your backyard and see how many different kinds of insects you can find. I'm sitting right here and I can see some ants on the ground, and I can even see some different kinds of bugs flying around, but maybe you could even find a ladybug or a beetle. So let us know what you find on your adventure in your backyard.